If you were new to using our platform or recently had the tutorial sidebar enabled, then this video should provide you with some insight. We use a walkthrough app called WalkMe, which is a series of guided tutorials that takes users step by step through a set of actions to achieve a specific outcome without having to leave the iFormBuilder admin console. I am going to walk through a slightly advanced walkthrough tutorial that will show you how to hide an element from your end users from their device. First, click on the sidebar called Tutorials and type in Hiding. I will be going through the first one shown called Hiding an Element from a User on the Device. We start you off with a short description of the walkthrough. Click Next and we'll guide you through the platform. After following the instructions to hover over Forms and clicking on Form Builder, you are now in the Form Builder page. We ask that you search for the form you want to implement the hiding feature to, otherwise you will need to have a form created and then retry the tutorial. You will see that the next step is to click on the element already in your form. Once you select the element and click Next, you will also see that the word false is populated in the conditional value field. The conditional value field is used for showing or hiding elements based on the condition. We helped you by providing you with the function rather than you having to type it out and resulting in any typos or misplacing the function. More of these types of tutorials will be found in the sidebar, so please make sure to try out the others. You are now all set with this walkthrough. Always make sure to save your work as you make changes and test on your device before collecting live data. Also, we would greatly appreciate any feedback from the surveys at the end of each completed walkthrough so that we can provide you with a better experience each time. Thanks so much for watching.